Hello, welcome to How to Literally. I'm going to review KNIME. So user experiences, that it's ease of use. Many users appreciate KNIME intuitive drag and drop interface, which simplifies the process of building data workflows. Functionality, KNIME offers a comprehensive set of nodes and functions of data processing, transformation, and analytics. Community support, the platform boasts an active and responsive community. Considerations: learning curve. While KNIME is user-friendly, some users suggest that beginners might face challenges initially. Performance with large datasets. Some users have reported performance issues when handling large datasets. So in conclusion, KNIME Analytics Platform is well regarded for its user-friendly interface, robust functionality, and supportive community, making it a valuable tool for both novice and experienced data professionals. However, users working with large datasets or seeking structured learning resources may need to consider the aspects when adopting the platform.